For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. OMG Network, OMG could hit $2,105 in 2022. OMG Network's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem OMG at $1,823 in 2022. OMG Network's past all-time high was on 13 January 2018. Where OMG was evaluated at $25.62. OMG Network's cost simultaneously last week was $2,172. It has moved by 0.15% in the previous week and is as of now at $2.28. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, OMG has unloaded by 5,369%. There is a slight negative opinion in the crypto market. The drawn-out opinion, nonetheless, stays bullish, and OMG could hit $12,871 in 2023. The all-outflowing stockpile of OMG Network as of compassing this video was $140,245,398,245, and the market cap of OMG stays at $319,695,965. Significant disclaimer. For coins with next to zero important pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model as a matter of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group respectability. The coin's value that you are going to see underneath can fall definitely contingent upon many variables, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute shrewdly subsequent to really taking a look at the group and tasks white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should stringently not be taken as a venture counsel. Albeit the best designers are at present tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has confirmed the cost anticipated underneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your carefulness and go with a choice shrewdly. Our OMG Network cost forecast model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the estimated worth of OMG before long to come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% precise, yet we endeavor to present to you the most reliable cost expectation by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remember OMG Networks for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information. OMG Network's complete exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. OMG Network social feeling for August 2022 and past authentic information. OMG Network's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past authentic information. OMG Network's huge whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. OMG Network's cost developments in view of different exchanging pointers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. OMG Network price prediction. OMG Network has had a memorable 2021. To work on the most recent OMG cost expectation, we have split the forecast by transient OMG Network cost expectation and long-haul OMG Network cost expectation. As of compassing this video, OMG had an exchanging volume of $63,858,848. OMG Network has increased 17,971% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, OMG Network cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of OMG at $1,311 and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $1,402. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, OMG Network cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of OMG at $11,021 and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $11,792. OMG network cost expectation 18 August 2022. OMG Network's cost for 18 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $1,578 to $1,816 and the typical cost of OMG ought to be around $1,697. OMG Network cost expectation 23 August 2022. OMG Network's cost for 23 August 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $1,426 to $1,641 and the typical cost of OMG ought to be around $1,533. OMG Network cost expectation to September 2022. OMG Network's cost for 2 September 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $1,169 to $1,345 and the typical cost of OMG ought to be around $1,257. OMG Network cost expectation October 2022. OMG Network's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $1,219 to $1,402 and the typical cost of OMG ought to be around $1,311. OMG Network cost expectation November 2022. OMG Network's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $1,425 to $1.64 and the typical cost of OMG ought to be around $1,532. OMG Network cost expectation December 2022. OMG Network's cost for December 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $1,631 to $1,877 and the typical cost of OMG ought to be around $1,754. OMG Network's long-term price prediction. OMG Network's drawn-out price prediction beneath is a gander at OMG's future possibility with respect to cost. OMG Network was most recently seen at $2.28, with a market cap of $319,695,965 and exchanging volumes of $63,858,848. OMG's value expectation is conceivable by dissecting authentic cost activity, current turns of events and social feeling from the local area. OMG Network cost expectation 2022. OMG Network's cost for 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $1,403 to $2,105 and the typical